Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I discuss about cofinite topology. Cofinite topology. Let X be infinite set. Let X be infinite set. Let tau be family consisting of phi and complements of finite subset of X. Finite subset of X its complement. It means let tau be family consisting phi and complements of finite subset of X, so that tau is a topology. Okay. At last I define the cofinite topology. Let X be infinite set. Let tau be family consisting phi and complement of finite subset of X, so that tau is a topology on X. Now let's see the proof. Let X be infinite set. Okay. Let tau be the family consisting of phi and subset of X whose complement is in X are finite. Whose complement in X are finite. Okay. Now our assumption phi belongs to tau. Okay. To show that X belongs to tau, let phi is finite set, then X minus phi belongs to tau, as because our definition tau be the family consisting of phi and the complement of finite subset. Here complement of phi, that is X, so X belongs to tau. Okay. Number 3, let Z1 belongs to tau, Z2 belongs to tau, so that Z1 intersection G2 belongs to tau. Z1 intersection G2 belongs to tau. This is the condition of topology. If Z1 intersection G2 equal to tau, then obviously G1 intersection G2 belongs to tau, no matter. Now if G1 intersection G2 not belongs to tau, then G1 belongs to phi, null set phi, then G1 not belongs to phi and G2 not belongs to phi. Okay. Z1 and Z2 belongs to tau. Okay. Z1, Z2 belongs to tau and G1 not equal to phi and G2 not equal to phi. If Z1, Z2 belongs to tau, then its complements are finite. That is the condition of topology. Our theorem, the complement of finite subsets, complements of finite subset of X, tau be the family of phi and complement of finite subset of X. Okay, complement of finite subsets. Here, so complement are finite set. Okay, their union are also finite union also finite. Then this is from set theory, you can write X minus G1 intersection G2 is a finite set. So G1 intersection G2 belongs to tau. In either case G1 G2 belongs to tau. This implies G1 intersection G2 belongs to tau. Okay. In either case G1 G2 belongs to tau, then G1 intersection G2 belongs to tau. So this is the condition of topology, it satisfied. Number 3, Number 4, let G alpha index set belongs to tau, where alpha belongs to delta. To show their union, G alpha belongs to tau. This is the condition of topology. Let G1 belongs to tau for all G alpha belongs to tau for all alpha belongs to delta, then its complement is finite. Okay, so you can write x minus G alpha is finite for all alpha belongs to delta. Is if that is finite, then intersection is finite, so you can write this. So you can write x minus G alpha, so you can write x alpha G alpha dash is finite, so you can write this is finite, so x minus this is belongs to finite. Okay, x minus intersection alpha belongs to delta, G alpha dash belongs to tau, this is finite. So its union is from this is the from De Morgan's law, you can write this u G alpha double dash belongs to tau on using De Morgan law, from this. So these and these are same, so so union alpha belongs to delta, G alpha belongs to tau. So this is the condition of topology. So it's satisfied all the condition of topology. The above argument lead to the conclusion that tau is a topology on X. This topology is defined as cofinite topology. This defined as cofinite topology. Thank you so much.